So today we are going to get some Mayon cheese. Mayon is famous for its cheese. Mayon in Minorca. And today we're gonna get a piece of the cheese to try it out to see if it's better than the cheese we brought from home.
Oh. T wants to go to the quesos factory.
What?
T
Yes.
wants to go to the quesos factory.
Yeah, we have bought quesos from this brand and I didn't like it, so we're gonna try to get a new one, huh? So we found a cheese factory, and now we go to the cheese factory to get a little taste of the Mayon cheese, because Mayon is famous for the cheeses. So let's see what we can find. Howdy,
Yes.
where are you?
Hello.
No, venga, mira. ¿Qué preferirá?
Do you know me? I'm the guy with the head underneath the palm tree. Do you want to be me? Free like a bird, like a fish in the sea. Do you know me? I'm the guy with the head.
We're back from the trip next morning, from the cycling trip, and we bought this cheese at the farm. And today I'm gonna try it. So we received this package. It was 1 kilo. 1 kilo for was very cheap. I think it was 13 euros or something. And I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna eat it. Yeah, so I've got this special cheese knife that we use a lot. And now I have to find the opening. What's the best way to open this so that we can put it back again. So I usually open it over here. No? Then we are able to open it, and the smell is it's
Heavy.
very heavy. And this is the old version. It's fromage curado. I'm gonna make a slice. On my sandwich. It smells really good. Really dense. It smells actually like old socks. We're gonna taste it now. Tastes really good. Really good. Do you want to have a try?
Yeah. They're just like a stone throw away. Look at this. We're at anchor. This is our boat. They're not here, so they don't even know this is happening. Luckily it's not blowing, because then we'd have a real problem. Now we can actually high five. So now they're actually almost like, even Milo thinking like, hey, what the hell is this? Like, look at this. Look at this. It's even coming closer. So now even the dinghy is just going to bump. What are we going to do? That will keep my heart rate bumping, that's for sure. Ooh, it's finally drifting apart.